Before we start this clip, I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of you viewers, and most importantly, to those of you who consider subscribing. It truly means a lot to me. Come on, smash that subscribe button. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, see ya. Hey guys, welcome back. I got this riding lawnmower from a friend of ours who are moving to an apartment and they don't need this anymore. So they thought I could have it. It's a Stiga Primo. She's in really good shape. But she needs some love. The wheels look okay. Got some marks. This wheel is in need of replacement. It's a real damage. Yeah, this one's okay. The seat is kind of loose on that side, so I have to figure that out. Some way to secure that. I did clean this up a bit beforehand. .5 horsepower. Like I said, she's in need of a little bit of love, but not much. I will have to go over the drive belts and those things later on. But in this video, we are going to replace the valve cover. It's leaking, not much, but let's replace it before it gets worse. I got the new gasket. I ordered it from this company. So in order to remove the valve cover, we need to come from on top with a 10mm ratchet. And the other two we take from underneath. Whoa. That's all four. Now we need to clean the surface. I'm using a sharp razor blade. Be really careful. Gently pry the gasket. I'll take the rest from the top. I got it intact. Nice. Now let's clean the surface. And I'll take the rest from the top. I forgot to clean the cover as well. That's a nice thing to do. That's it. I placed the gasket inside the cover like this. And we put it into place. And we start the bolts. And tighten them up. Like so, and the two on top. And the fourth one. Can't wait till summer to try this one out. Now I like to tighten these in a cross pattern. Take a little bit on top, and I come from underneath and take the opposite. And the other side. And this top one. Now we can go around and feel. They are tight. That's it. Now we can rinse off any mess we made with brake cleaner. Well, there you have it, folks. In upcoming videos we will do oil change on it. We'll go over the drive belts and just lube things up, make her fit for fight till next summer. Well guys, now you know how to replace the valve cover gasket on a Stiga Primo. I believe it's a 07 model. Thanks everyone for watching. Remember, like and subscribe guys. And you see me in the next one. See ya!